Liberty fans, this season we've given you, the fans, the chance to show us why you think you're the Liberty superfan. We've received dozens of emails detailing how our fans would be willing to show their love for Liberty. And tonight we'll show you the top 4 and give you a chance to vote for your favorite, who will then be dubbed Liberty Superfan 2003. Take a look up at Garden Vision and enjoy.
Hi, I'm Tracy Albright, and I am the New York Liberty superfan. And to prove it, I'm going to clean their locker room.
A clean-up woman is a woman who gets all the lovely girls leave behind. The clean-up woman will wipe his blues away. She'll give him plenty loving 24 hours a day. The clean-up woman, she'll sweep him off his feet. She's the one who'll take him in when you dump him in the street. So take a tip, you better get hip to the clean-up woman, 'cause she's tough. I mean, she really cleans up.
It's a long day, but it was well worth it. Let's go, Liberty.
And there she is. During the second half, you'll get the chance to vote Tracy for Liberty Superfan 2003.
Is a woman who gets all the lovely girls leave behind.
The New York Liberty thanks Sweet and Low for sponsoring